Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start on the chart where the buy and sell arrows appear. First, identify which indicator or strategy draws them by checking the chart's indicators list. Once identified, open that indicator's settings. If it's a strategy, open its inputs and style panels. Make sure you're in a layout where you can edit scripts or adjust built-in settings. You need edit permission for custom scripts, so toggle to the editable copy or select the indicator instance you plan to change. Next, dive into the indicator settings and go to the Style or Input section where plots are defined. Look for entries named by cell, long, short, arrow, shape, or plot shape. These control the on-chart markers. Once found, either uncheck the visibility, change the plot shape to none, or set the plot color alpha to 0. If it's a Pine script, edit the script to remove or comment out plot shape/plotchar lines. Then save and apply the modified script to update the chart. Finally, apply and confirm the changes. Close settings, save the indicator or strategy, and refresh the chart to ensure arrows are gone. If you edited a Pine script, publish or save the editable version and attach it to the chart. Make sure no other indicators are producing similar markers. If arrows persist, open the Pine code and remove or comment out any plot shape/plotchar/plot calls that generate arrows, then reapply. This step fixes stubborn cases where visibility controls alone do not remove marks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.